Best practices. Welcome to Small Business Customer Service Best Practices. In today's competitive market, customer service is more important than ever for small businesses. Providing excellent customer service can help you retain customers, increase sales, and build a positive reputation. Owner/manager. Hi, I'm owner/manager. In this video, we'll be discussing some of the best practices for providing exceptional customer service in a small business setting. We'll cover topics such as understanding your customers, effective communication, and problem-solving techniques. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to provide the best possible customer service for your small business. So, let's get started. Best practices. Owner/manager. One of the most important aspects of providing excellent customer service is understanding your customers. Every customer is unique, and it's important to recognize their individual needs and preferences. To better understand your customers, start by gathering information about them. This can include their demographics, purchasing habits, and feedback. Use this information to create customer profiles which can help you tailor your products and services to their specific needs. Owner/manager. It's also important to listen to your customers. Encourage them to provide feedback and suggestions, and take their comments seriously. Actively listening to your customers can help you identify areas for improvement and provide better service in the future. By understanding your customers and their needs, you can provide personalized and effective customer service that sets your small business apart. Best practices. Owner/manager. Effective communication is key to providing exceptional customer service. It's important to communicate clearly and professionally with your customers at all times. When communicating with customers, use language that is easy to understand and avoid technical jargon or industry-specific terms. Nonverbal communication is also important. Use positive body language, such as smiling and maintaining eye contact, to convey a friendly and welcoming attitude. Owner/manager. It's also important to be responsive to your customers. Respond to their inquiries and concerns in a timely manner, and keep them informed throughout the process. Use multiple channels of communication, such as phone, email, and social media, to make it easy for customers to reach you. By communicating effectively with your customers, you can build trust and loyalty, and create a positive reputation for your small business. Best practices. Owner/manager. No matter how well you provide customer service, problems can still arise. It's important to have effective problem-solving techniques in place to handle these situations. When a customer has a problem, listen carefully to their concerns and take them seriously. Empathize with the customer and apologize for any inconvenience they may have experienced. Owner/manager. Once you understand the problem, work with the customer to find a solution that meets their needs. Be flexible and willing to compromise to find a solution that works for both parties. By effectively solving problems, you can turn a negative experience into a positive one and create loyal customers who appreciate your dedication to their satisfaction. Best practices. Owner/manager. Providing exceptional customer service means going above and beyond what is expected. Surprise and delight your customers by offering unexpected perks or discounts. Owner/manager. Show your appreciation for your customers by thanking them for their business and loyalty. Personalize your interactions with customers by using their name and remembering their preferences. Finally, always strive to improve your customer service. Ask for feedback and use it to make changes that benefit your customers. Owner/manager. By going above and beyond for your customers, you can create a positive reputation for your small business and build a loyal customer base. Thank you for watching Small Business Customer Service Best Practices. We hope these tips will help you provide exceptional customer service and grow your small business.